Hello, this is going to be my review of the Victorinox Multitool. This thing has been on my belt for quite some time. I use it almost every day. Comes in handy a lot. Mostly for the pliers, which are great. Just grab this here. Let's see. Boom. No problem. They've got a wire cutter or stripper sort of thing right there too, which is pretty nice. Not replaceable, which is unfortunate, but they're so smooth and so nice. You know, I'm always having concrete dust, metal dust, sawdust, like wood, all sorts of shit. Get up in here and it's still buttery smooth. It's got this handy dandy, you know, metric and standard ruler on it. Inches and millimeters, you know, so pretty cool. Does come in handy. Goes to like 9 inches and 20, like 24 or something, 20 some millimeters. I use the millimeters often. I don't really use it very often for that feature, to be honest, but anyway, let's test out some of the other tools here. The screwdriver is really good. I like the screwdriver, comes in handy if I don't have another one. So let's try that. There we go. Yeah, she's going right in. Now you can kind of put it sideways, really crank on it. But yeah, this thing is pretty pimpin'. All the tools lock, which is nice, but making it difficult for the video. Oh, wrong way here. Okay, so there's a screwdriver. Got another little screwdriver. This one's pretty nice. Nice for all sorts of things. Then we got this awl. I admit I don't use that very often either, but it does come in handy once in a while if you outgrow your belt or something. We got the scissors. What do we got here? See, they cut very fine. The scissors come in handy a lot. I think that's about it for this side. Oh, and the file. Can't forget about the trusty file. File works. Does its job. Boom. Alright, let's test out some of this shit. big screwdriver. It's pretty self-explanatory. Like I said, the screwdrivers on this thing are pretty solid. Can opener with yet another little screwdriver, which is pretty much useless. The other one, I mean, it's not useless, but compared to the other ones, it's not as good. All sorts of flatheads on here. Bottle opener. Here's one of my favorites. This thing. Little chisel. And some more wire strippers. Let's grab the clamp. Alright. Sorry, my fingers are in the camera. Alright. This thing works pretty good. Not that I had like a precise spot to chisel. I'm just kind of going at it. But let's see. Do I have any? Let's see. Separate them. You're supposed to. Basically just like a little shit. Well, it cut it. Cut it all right. Did a lot more to strip it. But yeah, it'll, so it's sharp. I really haven't used that thing very much, but it is pretty cool. A feature that I don't have on very many of my other multi-tools. So, let's see here, what else do we got? We got the knife. Oh, that's the saw. Already a whole saw width in there, so that's, you know, pretty decent. And then a good old trusty Victorinox style knife. Yeah, very sharp. I don't use this thing very often. Keep the big boy ready to go. Usually have, you know, the fastback or something else on me, but yeah, this thing is great. Comes in handy quite often. Sorry for shoddy camera work, but I'm telling you, this thing really, it's worth it, man. Let's see. Any other? Let's see. I think it's like $100 or something. 120 bucks. So it's on the pricier end of some multi-tools. Like I said, this thing is bar none my favorite one that I've had. All the tools work exceptionally well. They all lock. The lock is pretty easy to disengage even with one hand, as you saw. And I'm not usually restricted to one hand, only when I'm filming, so you know. As you can see from the pouch, it's got holes in it, paint on it. This thing has been with me for quite some time, and it will remain there because, like I said, it's like the best multi-tool. So I hope this review was helpful and you enjoyed it, and you have a good rest of your day.